Hello, what's up guys? This is Ajit Chaitri from Technical Advisor, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to create or sign up for your PayPal business account. So let's get started with this. So yeah guys, the first thing that we need to do is we need to just type in PayPal business account. And for me, I'm writing India because I'm creating from India. But if you are someone who is from other location like US or like from UK, you can just type in the same. Okay, so alright, after that you just click on business account and you will just use the one that is really relevant with you. As for me, I'm a freelancer, so I'll just click on the freelancer. Okay, and after that I'll just click on the annual sales value. So this is something which I've just started, so I'll just go on with 0 to 250k USD. Perfect. So here I'll type in my email address, which I'm gonna use for my business purpose. Submit. And I'll use the relevant password. So those are the criteria to make the password. So I've just entered, and yeah, so I'll just use the business type that is relevant with what I'll be doing. So as for me, it will be individual. The keyword will be most likely be the criteria that you will be meeting in. Okay, so I'll talk about that later. The purpose code for me will be computer based because it's technical advisor that we'll be working on. So I'll just use something which is in relation to that. And as I say, the keyword will be, for me, it will be computer networks. So you can use the one which is really relevant with you. Okay, and I'll just enter my name and descriptions. Just send on the description of it, date of birth and the address that I actually am from. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'll just write on the address that I'm located to, and then I'll just fill in the town and the city and also the state that I'm from. That's it. And I just need to enter the mobile number that I use. And for primary currency, it seems like we don't have any options for Indian currency, so I'll just choose US dollar, and later on I can go ahead with the conversion. Okay, and hit on agree. Okay, US dollar, agree and continue. It's really simple to open your business account in PayPal, and I believe that this has really helped you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and yeah, if you like this video and if you found this video very helpful, please make sure to thumbs up, and yeah, just write down on the comment section if you face any struggles in creating your PayPal account. Okay, so yeah, the account has been created, everything has been settled, so I'm quite ready to use it right now. So as for me, I'll just log out.